Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to a weekly Fordcast. My name's Dion, and if you haven't been to my channel before, I just like to do a review and a recap. Sorry, a Fordcast and a recap on the Aussie dollar every week. So I upload at least twice a week with a vlog and some other videos here and there. If that sounds like something you're interested in, click the subscribe button because I'm pretty consistent with my uploads. Anyways, let's get straight to it. So the Aussie dollar, what's it gonna do this week? Well, ultimately, I have a bearish bias on the Aussie dollar, and I think it's going to make its way down to this, pink level here, which is the 7,000. Now, there's three ways which I think this could happen. First of all, let's have a closer look at what's actually happening. So, there's the main trend line here, which price has been respecting since, July, since June. Yeah, started June, and it's been pretty consistent so far. It hasn't broken below that trend line. So if price does break this trend line, then you can expect price to make a massive move to the downside. But then nothing's guaranteed. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Short disclaimer, do not use these videos as signals because all I'm doing is just, giving my opinion on what could happen, and I'm just telling you guys how I think I might take these trades. This isn't how everyone should trade. Everyone trades differently, so stick to your strategy and your trading plan. This is just how I'm going to take these trades. So yeah, let's get a closer look. Price is coming down to the main trend line here, but as you can see, it did form a smaller trend line, like, yeah, here. And with this trend line, there is also this significant level which price has been respecting for the most part. But it did drop through recently here. It broke through the support, and now it's treating it as a resistance and forming a triangle pattern. So it's having troubles breaking through this resistance of the triangle. It's having troubles trying to break above, or yeah, even break through this resistance of the level, and it's really respecting the moving average. As you can see, the moving average has sort of like merged in with this resistance, so it doesn't want to break through. I think price can do three things now. I think price can either test this moving average. So the moving averages, sorry. It's either going to test these, it's going to test the resistance of the triangle, or it's going to test the resistance of the significant level before making its major moves. So I'll show you the scenarios. For the first one, which is what if price decides to move off the moving average? Here. This is a smaller time frame now. It's on the 2 hour. Sorry, it's a larger time frame. So this is on the 2 hour. So pretty much as you can see here, with the moving average and this resistance of the triangle, it's pretty much in the same spot. So these two different scenarios, I'm going to treat them the same, if that makes sense. And I'll show you in a sec. So if price decides to touch either the moving average or the resistance of this triangle, and head to the downside, what you could expect is for price to break the triangle and make its way down to the next level. Now, price likes to move in levels, so if it breaks one level, it's like a magnet. It's going to find its way one way or another to the next level. So this is what I think is going to happen. With my bearish bias, I think it's going to... It's already touched here, and it's making its way down with a big bearish candle. It's going to break through, find its way down to the next level, which is the major trend line, and then it's going to retrace into the Fibonacci retracement zone. Now this is my golden zone. I do this, like, this is how I like to mark up my charts. I draw up the zone, the Fibonacci retracement tool, and then I highlight the zone. So the top here, this is the 0.618 level, and the bottom is the 0.5, and everything else in between, that's my golden zone. So with like how much I've been back testing and just my research, the price really does like the 0.618, but even more it likes to retrace to the Fibonacci zones that line up with a trend line or a significant level. But unfortunately here, it doesn't seem to do that, but it may, it could do anything. But in this scenario, if it decides to do this, I think it's going to, break through the support, come down to the next level, and make its way up to the golden zone before dropping it through the trend line and making its way down to the significant level of 7,000. So this scenario here is accounting for both the trend line, the moving averages and the trend line. Now for this one up here, if price decides to break above the triangle and make its way up to the next level, this is what you could expect if it was, if price is bearish. So price could make its way up and back down. Now it's following the exact same principles. Price is going to test a level, and if it can't break through it, it's going to make its way back down. So it's going to break through this support and make its way to the next level and test that. Now it could break through this level actually. Price could do a lot of things. That's why I'm saying not to take my word for this and not to trade based on like what I'm saying. Price can do anything, but best case scenario, price will make its way up to the significant level, break the support, come to test the major trend line support, make its way up to the Fibonacci retracement before dropping back down to the downside. So that's a pretty quick, simple one. Like these two scenarios is pretty much what I'm looking for this week. Now, how am I going to take these trades? So if you've been following me, you know that I like to trade the break and retests of trend lines. So I'll take it here on the Fibonacci. So if price does retrace up here and it's showing me signs that no, it's not going to keep going up and it's making its way down, I'm going to enter a trade here. And same with this one. If it decides to go this way and test a significant level, I'm going to enter my trade here. If it shows me, if the price shows me that that's what it wants to do. Now, I have my own set of confluences I look for. I have my own strategy, my own trading plan, and I'm not going to go into it in this video, nor will I in future weekly forecasts. So, I mean, if you're interested to know how I trade, just ask me a question in the comments, and if I see there's enough expression of interest, I might make a video on my trading plan, strategy, and stuff like that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then comment below and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, I mean, pretty much to put it simply, what I think price is going to do this week is it's going to find its way, it's going to find its way out of the triangle to the downside. It's going to make a retest of some sort, and then it's going to break through the trend line and make its way down. So we'll see if that actually happens. It may not. Price may go up and test this trend line up here and then do some other crazy stuff. Could do whatever, but we'll see in the weekly review, which I will post on Friday. But besides that, I hope everyone has a great trading week. Remember to stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, use good risk management, and enjoy the trades. Catch you in the next one.